We've got a partnership with Size of Wales, so where they've supported our legal journey. It is expensive to go to the court, and Size of Wales have been of great help. They've supported also in mapping of the medicinal area sites in the community, which is resources in the community. And also importantly, we have a community radio called that Tulokony that broadcast and advocate on the issues of environment. So Size of Wales has been really helping on that. I say thank you to them. Also have a community resource center. It provides a safe environment for community members to come and discuss, deliberate on important issues, make decisions in regards to the whole territory. And we received support from Size of Wales in putting up the resource center, which is so helpful. We are hosting other indigenous communities in the resource center, so it is playing a bigger role in uniting and giving projection of how we are conserving environment.